Hey, my name is Luis, and I'm going to be doing a legal question called reverse linked list. This is a very, you know, well-known question and can help you with your linked list fundamentals. So the question says, you're given a head of a singular linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So in this example, we're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we just need to return the opposite, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let me show a trick. Like you don't like at first I thought you had to literally like flip every single element. But no. For example, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All we need to do is we just need to point like we don't need to actually to flip it. We just need to make sure that this arrow right here is pointed here. Th- This the next is pointed here. This next is pointed here. This next is pointed here. And if that happens, this will be the new head. So when we return it, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to do that, the first thing that we need to do is make two new nodes. A previous value set to null. The reason we're setting to null so that it's before, for example, we have 1, 2, 2, and 3. Prev will be back here. So we could set, for example, we could set, this will be the current node. We set cur.nets is equal to this. So that means the arrow is pointed this way. And then we set prev is equal to current node. So then we set, and then this is previous, and then multiply this number, and then if we keep doing that over and over again, it'll reverse the whole thing. We also need nets, which is to save the nets value. So then we have this node, current node, which is the head, the first element, so we'll start the first element. Then we say while current node is not equal to null, because once it's equal to null, that means we reach the end. So we do nets equal to current node dot nets. This is just saving the nets value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the current node. We're just setting nets to this. Basically, it's basically like a temporary value. Then we're doing current node dot nets is equal to prev. What this does, right? We have 1. This is prev, which is this is prev at the start, which is null. Let's name this null. So we're pointing this arrow nets to here. Oops, we're pointing this to this. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to set prev is equal to cur node. So now instead of previous point being null, it's going to be 1. And then and then what we do is cur node equal to nets, right? So alright, so let me go from the start. First, we set a temp value of the nets, which is 2. Then we set the nets value of the current node, which is 1, to null, which is prev. Then we set prev to 1. And then we set current node to 2. So let's do it for let's try 2 now. Now 2 is the current node, right? So 2 will point to prev. 2.nets is prev, so 2 will point to 1. And then we set prev to 2. So now this is, and then we set current node to 3. So if you keep doing that all the way until the end, until current node is null, which is over here, then the list will be pointed this way, and the new head will be sits. So what we do here is we just return prev, because once it gets to the end, this will be prev, and that will be that new head of the linked list. So let's test the code, see if it works. And it worked. Let's submit it. Yeah, I did it before, but yeah, it's just faster than 100% solutions, and this is of all n solution. So yeah, this is how to reverse a siggity linked list.